Hi friends, are you coming down with a cold and cough? You could be a child, you could be an adult. If you're coming down with a cold and cough, why would you pop in a pill unnecessarily? How about checking out a natural 100% homemade chest rub balm still used in rural India? This is a modified version of the traditional formulation made from natural ingredients like garlic and thyme. And in this picture, you can see particles of thyme floating around. We've left it completely natural without any side effects. So do check this natural balm out.